Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my kar98 sniper rifle. Here it is. Yeah. And guys, please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing too, okay? So first, you need a full sheet of paper, or I'm using a quarter size paper here. And you want to fold it in half. Just like this. Okay, and then you want to fold in these corners on the bottom. So see right here, so you want to fold this edge up to this top edge here. Okay, so bring that corner up, and same thing on the other side as well. So you see this edge right here, you want to fold that right up to the top right here. Okay, and now you want to unfold those steps, and then you want to fold this corner up. Okay, so you want to open up the whole model, and you see the crease line right here, you want to fold that crease line up. Okay, just like that. And then you want to do the same thing on the other side as well. Okay, so you want to open this up and push and fold the crease line that we just made. Okay, and now you see the shorter edge and that longer edge right here. You want to bring this edge right up to the top, so you want to fold this whole thing in half. Okay, just like that. And then you want to sink this piece inside. Okay, so you want to unfold that step, and then you want to open up the whole model, the whole area, which is the whole model, like I said. And then you want to fold up all the crease line, so you see the smaller rectangle in the middle, so you want to fold up all the sides of that rectangle. Okay, okay, just like that. And then you see the triangle right here, so you want to fold up those triangles. Okay, and then the center crease line. Okay, okay, then fold that all the way down. Okay, and now hold the model so the longer edge is on top and the shorter edge right here is on the bottom. Okay, and make the longer edge face you. Okay, so it should look like this. And now you want to fold this forward, so you see the top left piece right here, you want to fold that forward. And then on the same side, you see this triangle right here, you want to fold that triangle inside. So you see this corner on the bottom. Using that corner, you want to pre-crease the triangle, and you're gonna fold it inside. Okay, so make sure the top edge is also lined up and matching. Make a crease, unfold it, and then you want to open up this pocket right here and kind of hide that triangle inside. Okay, and now you want to fold this whole piece in half, just like so. Okay, so it should look like this. And now you want to take this top piece right here and fold it all the way up. Just like so. And then you want to take this top piece in the front and fold it to the back side. Just like that. Just leave it there for now. And then if you look in the back side, you see this corner right here. You want to fold that corner up to this crease line right here. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Then fold this whole thing up. Okay. So it should look like this. Okay. And now, you see where this corner is? So you want to swing this whole thing around like that. Okay, so it makes that little triangle. Okay, so let me show you again. And then you want to fold. Actually, let's fold this down first. So you want to fold this whole thing back as well. Okay, just like that. And make sure to leave just a little bit of space in between as well. So it should look like this. Okay, and now you want to fold this triangle inside. So you're going to first pre-crease it. So fold where this corner is. Okay, where this corner. So fold that triangle inside. Then unfold. Then you want to open up this pocket underneath. And fold this whole triangle inside. Okay. And now you want to turn to the back side right here. And then you want to fold this edge right here all the way down to the bottom edge. Okay, so you want to open up this pocket and bring, oh actually, you're folding this edge right here, this back edge to the bottom edge. So this edge to the bottom. Okay, so open up the pocket and bring the edge down to the bottom. So there should be a little triangle right here. Okay, and now you want to bring this point right here to this corner right there. Okay, you're gonna fold it inside as well. So kind of pre-crease it first. Okay, unfold, then hide that triangle inside. Okay, just like that. And now you see this top edge right here. Fold that down. And also fold this top of that triangle down. And then you also want to fold this triangle in the front. Okay, kind of fold that in. And you want to hide that inside. So you want to open up the pocket right here. and fold that right inside. Okay, fold it back to the front. And now we're going to make the front of the gun. So open up a little bit. And now you see this corner in the back. Here, you want to fold that right up to this crease line right here, where that scope starts, this piece. So fold that right up to there. And you're going to fold it in thirds. Okay, so you see that corner, fold it, zigzag fold it back out like that. And you want width of this part to be about the same length, same width as the width in front right here. So this should be right around the middle of this edge right here, okay? Then fold it down just like that and kind of fix it back. And now you want to fold this edge down and kind of in thirds as well. Get that corner and roughly in thirds. Okay, so width of this column should be the same width as the one on the bottom. Okay, and you just want to hide the back edge as well. So kind of fold that down. And now you see where this corner is on top. You want to fold the front of it, zigzag fold it right around where that corner is. Okay, so this is going to be the front of the barrel. So it's roughly around there. And then you want to fold this corner up just like that. So it doesn't stick out. And then fold the tip of the barrel up to make the front sight, and fold the triangle in half. Okay, and leave it there for now, or you can kind of fold that in half and roll it up a little bit to make the barrel. And then flip it back to the front, and you see this corner right here in the front. You want to kind of fold that inside just like that, and you're going to use the back corner for the handguard later on. Okay, and where the back of that scope is, see this piece leaning against this piece right here. You want to zigzag fold for the stock. So you want to fold that forward like that and fold it back out again. Okay, and now you want to fold this top corner right here. Push in that corner and fold it just about halfway. Like so. Okay, and now fold the bottom edge in a subtle slant. Okay, and kind of shape out the gun. So starting from this corner, or lift up that corner just a little bit as well, and kind of fold that bottom edge up. Okay. Okay, and now you can fold down this corner to make the upper handguard, because when you fold up the bottom edge, it kind of slides up. So you want to fold up the corner now after you do the bottom edge. Okay, and now you want to fold the back of the scope to shape out the scope. It's a little thick, so you might have to work on it a little bit and shape out the scope. Okay, and the stock as well. So bend a little bit of that edge to make the little semi pistol grip and the rest of the stock. Okay. So here is my kar98 sniper rifle. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.